Alright guys, so I just did an upgrade for buggy number one. Got me a nice aluminum 4-quart radiator. Looks super nice. In there tight. I mean, it's right up on that pulley. Got maybe a 1/4 inch space in there. But yeah, nice big radiator. It's got the aluminum shield for the fan to bolt right up to. Thing's super nice. It's like 250 bucks. If I get a chance, I'll put that in a link so you can order you one. But yeah, one of the nicest upgrades I've done on this thing. I mean, I did a cold air intake and a bunch of other stuff, but here in the future I'm going to take you step by step. This is my little homemade side-by-side, basically 1990 Toyota 4Runner, and I'll take you through and show you how to build one just like it, if you'd like. Thank you for watching Ozark Mountain Garage. Hit like, subscribe, and notifications if you want to keep up to date. Thank you.